If the suction on your Henry is poor or even non-existent, today we're going to sort it out. First things first, for great suction you need great airflow. So we're going to look at things that can get in the way of this airflow, be it buildup of dust or total blockage. The first step is the filter. This sits directly underneath the motor, which produces the airflow. If this has got a buildup of dust inside, it's creating a blockage all by itself. If it's really bad, you might as well use a dinner plate as a filter. Now the way we're going to clear it, ideally, is to vacuum it with another vacuum, but not everyone's got a spare vacuum. So you can literally go outside, bang it on a wall, just get as much dust out of it as you can. This is going to make things so much better. Next culprit for bad airflow would be a full bag. Naturally, if the bag is full of dust, you're not going to get air flowing through it, so it's going to be restricting the suction. So you need to replace the bag. If you don't use bags, you are never going to have great suction. There is nothing to stop the dust going into the filter, which is just going to keep getting blocked all the time. That way, you're also putting your motor at risk, so it's just working harder all the time as well. So use a bag. Now we're going to take Henry's hose off, and we're just going to turn him on and check for the suction. It should be perfect now. The obvious thing that can cause poor suction is a blockage. Now we're going to find out where your blockage may be. We're going to put the hose back on, and then we're going to turn the vacuum on and see what the suction is like at the end of the hose. Then we're going to repeat this process each time, adding on a new part. First the bent metal pipe, ensuring that the valve is closed on this so you're not reducing the suction. That's what it's there for. And then your metal pipes, which obviously you can probably see straight through them, see if you can see daylight through them at the bottom. If you can't, there's a blockage in there. And then your floor tool. So basically what we're doing is, each time we put a new part on, we're going to turn the vacuum on and test the suction. If you just put a part on and you turn it on and there is no suction, that part is where the blockage is. So then you can go about getting the blockage out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have found that you've got a blockage and you're struggling to remove it, just comment below and I'll try and help you. Just tell me where the blockage is. Bits of tips: if the blockage is in the hose, I turn the vacuum cleaner on and just wiggle the hose and try and get it to naturally free what probably is a sock in there or something like that. Bamboo canes and stuff from the garden or anything like that that's long and thin are really handy for unblocking as well. So albeit with the hose, or if it's the long metal pipe, you can normally get them down there. Again, going in the direction that the vacuum cleaner is sucking will help you get the blockage out. One other thing I've just quickly thought of is the metal pipes and the floor tools are really hard to separate sometimes. You need to twist them and pull them. Just pulling them isn't going to separate them. If you're struggling, I do have another video on this. Thanks very much for watching. Again, any help needed, just give me a shout.